Hi! In front of me is OPPO A77 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. First of all, you need to access Tab menu. Now look for location shortcut and when you find it, click on it. Then select Close in the pop-up to disable location. So when I do that and go back, as you can see, location is now off. But you can always switch it back on by tapping on the same Now Wait shortcut. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down and click on Location section. Then manage it by tapping on this switcher next to Location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!